Don't make a hole in that. Stop it. You're annoying me so bad right now. Hi. Hi.
How about Hickory Dickory Dock? Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. Let's try.
In front of her face. There we go. Wow. Was that funny? Ah. Ah.
Rough night, but I have no regrets.
This way, children. Mama's looking for Shake Your Tail Feather.
Where's my money? You can't duck this goose! I got bills to feed!
The seed is in this hand. Seriously, Perry, why did you bring me here?
You know I hate...
Why are you angry? Why are you stompy? Why are you stompy? Is it because of these? You don't like these?
Drops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you sometime.
What? What doing?
Gila.